Hello everyone. Welcome to online edu classes of Brilliant Public School by Kailash Kumar sir. Today in this video we are going to learn about adjectives. Adjectives come under parts of speech in English grammar, and this is going to be first part of our video. The rest of the portion will complete in the next video. So let us continue. Before that, let us have a look to these sentences. They live in a big house. My friend has got a new bicycle on his birthday. Cinderella is a pretty girl. Rama wore a beautiful dress. He is a handsome boy. So, what can you see in these sentences? That the colored or highlighted words are describing about the nouns in the following sentences. Like in the first sentence, they live in a big house. The word big is describing about the house. Next sentence, he is a handsome boy. The word handsome is describing about the boy. Next sentence, the Cinderella is a pretty girl. The word pretty is describing about the girl Cinderella. Rama wore a beautiful dress. The word beautiful is giving more information about the dress. My friend has got a new bicycle on his birthday. The word new is giving more information about the bicycle, that it is a new bicycle. So we can conclude by these examples that adjectives are the words which describe about the nouns, or which gives more information about the nouns in any sentence. Let us look to the definition of adjective. What is an adjective? Adjectives, a word that describes a noun or a pronoun, is called an adjective. Adjectives make writing more descriptive. Yes, by the usage of adjectives we can add more information about any noun or pronoun in any sentence. Let us move ahead. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Yes, it is the adjective which gives or which describes about a noun or a pronoun, about its quality, about its property, about the size, shape, color, size, quantity, and many more things. So let's continue. It gives additional information about what the noun or the pronoun refers to, like what kind, which one, how many. Under the heading what kind, let us see: blue car, long rope, tall person, big house. Under the heading which one, this town, last week, the second day, the other woman. Under the heading how many, 1 second, 3 boys, few cars, several people. So we can conclude in this slide that adjectives answer questions such as what kind, which one, and how many. It usually comes right before the noun or the pronoun that it modifies. So let us see these sentences. I have a big eraser. The word big has appeared just before the noun eraser, and it is describing about the eraser. My brother got a new book. The word new is describing about the book, and it has appeared before the word book, which is a noun here. We have a funny food. The word funny is describing about the noun food. Do you have a red pen? The word red is describing about the color of the pen, that it is red in color. She is a skinny girl. The word skinny is adjective here, and it is describing about the girl, that she is a thin and slim skinny girl. He likes green apples. In this sentence, green is the color of the apples, and it is describing about the apples, that it is green in color. We can use more than one adjective to describe a noun or a pronoun, and when a noun comes before another noun, it becomes its adjective. So let us see this sentence. She is a nice, intelligent young woman. So here three qualities of that woman has been described. Let us see. She is a nice woman. She is an intelligent woman. She is a young woman. Compiling these three qualities in a single sentence, we can write it as she is a nice, intelligent young woman. So these three words are describing about the woman. Let's see another sentence. He had a big, square, brown wooden box. So four qualities or four properties about the box has been described here. Like he had a big box, he had a square box, he had a brown box, he had a wooden box. So compiling all these qualities in a single sentence, we can write as he had a big square brown wooden box. So here the size of the box, the shape of the box, the color of the box, and the material from which the box has been made, all these things has been described here. Let us see the examples. In this list, the bold words in red color are adjectives. The colorful balloon floated over the treetop. How the balloon looks? The balloon is colorful. Next, a yellow butterfly is sitting on the pink rose. Here the color of the butterfly is yellow. The word yellow is describing about the color of the butterfly. And sitting on the pink rose, the color of the rose is pink. So these two words are describing about the nouns. The big dog chased the car. How is the dog? The dog is big. So the word big is giving more information about the dog, about the size of the dog. The tall giraffe is eating green leaves. Here the size or the height of the giraffe is mentioned that it is tall, and the color of the leaves is green. The beautiful princess is wearing a purple gown. Here the word beautiful is describing about the princess that she is lovely, she is pretty, she is beautiful. And about the gown, about her gown, purple, the word purple is describing about the gown. A small rat is beside the brown cabinet. The word small is describing about the rat that it is small in size. And the word brown, which is actually a color, is describing about the cabinet that it is brown in color. Let us see this slide. Adjectives can be used to describe the following things. So in these following aspects, we can use adjectives, or adjectives in these aspects give us about the information like the color, opinion, size, age, shape, origin, material, distance, temperature, and time as well. So these are the various aspects where we can use the adjectives. Now let us look the type of adjectives. First comes descriptive adjectives, next comes proper adjectives, next adjective of quantity, then numeral adjectives, next interrogative adjectives, next demonstrative adjectives, and last but not the least possessive adjectives. So these are the 7 type of adjectives which we will learn in detail in the next video, part 2. So I hope children you all have understood, you all have got a basic idea about adjectives, that how the adjectives give us more information about any noun or pronoun, how it describes about the noun, and how it modifies the noun or pronoun in any sentence. So this much in this video. The rest of the portion The type of adjectives we'll study in detail in the next video, part 2. So thank you all and wish you a happy learning. Thank you all.